Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our SIMCOM 30x30 series combo with you. You can see from here, there is one micro USB port and 3 antenna pedestals. This one is the main antenna pedestal, and this one is the division antenna pedestal, and this one is the GPS antenna pedestals. And there's also one SIM card slot here. You can insert the SIM card slot in this way. And when I will teach you how to use it, you can use a cable to connect it with the computer, and it will automatically open. When the light turns green, you can use it. And before using it, you need to download the driver from SIMCOM. You can contact us and we will send you the driver. After download the driver, everything is okay, and after that you can open the SIMCOM, and we will send you a series of 80 commands to help you test your modem. You need to choose the right 80 port, and it will tell you the result you need. And you need to make sure that your SIM card can be used in your area. Or if you cannot, it will appear there's no service. Thank you.